It's there. And the people that have left that religion in the time of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ have told us that yes, it's in there. It's in this verse, it's in this chapter. We don't have to dig for it. So I hope that makes sense. Is there any further point that needs elaboration or maybe a further question? No? Yes?
Can I just say something about Islam?
Yeah.
It's 2 volumes, and my cousin is selling them. I'm not selling them.
Okay.
And they're £30.
All right.
And it's tafsir on Quran.
Alhamdulillah. All right. Now, as a final point before wrapping up, next week we're going to be talking about false signs and false wonders and how to recognize them. Because sometimes we see a healing or someone gets miraculously well, and that sometimes can put a doubt in our mind and make us think, well, maybe Buddhism has something to offer humanity. I'm not kidding. We see some sign or some event that appears miraculous. Let me give you an evidence before we close. In the Vatican, the See of St. Peter, there was one of the idols that they had there of the Virgin Mary was crying blood. And when they examined the blood, they found it was real positive A blood that was actually issuing forth from that statue. And hundreds of thousands of people started coming to church again, got saved, as they say, put their faith in Jesus Christ as Lord and everything else. But just because something is real does not mean it's from Allah. And that's what we're going to be trying to talk about next week. What is real, what is not real, and examples of the difference between a false miracle and a true miracle, and how we know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's work from the work of falsehood, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.